Yes, go ahead.
ಶಿವೋಮ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು. ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ.
Now, if I can speak the answer, whatever is your problem,
Okay.
if those words, if I can utter in Kannada, I'll speak in Kannada. Otherwise, I'll speak in
ಓಕೆ.
English.
ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ನನಗೆ 10 years ಇಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
So, where is she? Is she here?
ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್.
No, please bring her
Okay.
sometime.
Okay.
Maybe there's a Samay Diksha on September 5th.
ಓಕೆ.
You can bring her, I'll heal her.
Okay.
See, that must be some pattern related to the snake fear.
Yes.
I'll heal her.
10 years ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
That's what. Bring her, I'll heal her.
ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಯೂತ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮೋಟೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು 3 ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ್, ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಗರ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅನ್ನಪೂರ್ಣಮ್ಮ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ಲು ನಾವು ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ರೆಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್.
It's a personal problem. When you come for any session, if you ask, I'll bless you. My blessings.
ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Nityanandam Swamiji. Swamiji, I have severe asthma and I have severe tremors as side effects.
When you come for the energy session, ask me, I'll heal you.
Okay.
Please be. See, it's my request. Any personal issue, like a healing or a blessing or boon, ask in the energy session, I'll heal you.
Swamiji, how do we break the pattern of judging? So it's like mind is always constantly judging. What is the process to
It is
break?
actually your deep hatred towards you becomes the hatred towards others. That only is judging. So find out when you started hating you and complete with it, the problem will be solved.
Just one more question. Especially with, you talked about meat, right? What is the essential difference between plant life and animal life?
See, in the animal body, even after you kill, there is no biomemory to store the pain. They don't go through pain. But plant body does not go through pain and it doesn't store itself there. But animal body goes through pain and it gets stored in that muscles. When you eat, the same pain and depression gets into your system.
Thank you.
Nityanandam Swamiji.
Yes.
I want to know the meaning of realization of life.
Realization of life means all your possibilities when you manifest, that becomes realization of your life.
Then what is liberation?
When you manifest all your possibilities, you will not be bound by anything. That is liberation.
And one more question, Swamiji. You told animals have this biomemory passed in and plants do not. But Sir C.V. Raman, as a scientist, he proved that the plants respond to music. What is
See,
the coherence
only
between that and
one
this?
small component they respond,
Okay.
not to everything else.
Okay.
You understand? And what animals respond is tons and tons. What he proved is very small. Now, I am not saying they don't respond to music. That does not mean they have biomemory.
Okay.
It's very small level of muscle memory is enough to respond to music.
One more question I have. How do we get out of the crave of food which we normally have? It's like people...
Catching the food pattern and completing with it.
completing with it meaning eating that and getting satisfied?
No, not
or-
eating with the completion. See how the food patterns are locking your life and find out when it started and relive those incidents and complete.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Yes.
சாமிஜி வணக்கம். ஒசூர்லேருந்து வந்திருக்கிறோம்.
ஆ.
ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது சாமி. பிறந்ததுலேருந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு.
அதாங்க உங்க பர்சனல் ப்ராப்ளத்தை எனர்ஜைசேஷன் கேளுங்க, பதில் சொல்றேங்க. Yes, go ahead.
Nityanandam Swamiji. Does parents' bad karma come to haunt
No.
children?
Parents' bad karmas don't come. They are, when they bring up, the way they bring up, they put their mental pattern in you. That's the only problem.
That's why sometimes where some things happen and you think, okay, this must be coming from them. And when sometimes you have conflicting decisions to make and you don't know which path to go, how do you
I
control
think
your
this
mind?
conflicting itself comes because there's incompletions there. In those type of moments, sit and do completion with yourself and spend some 10-15 minutes with the completion and then look back the situation. You will have a conflict-free decision.
And the food, what she was talking, I have craving for chocolates. I declare it here. How do I control?
So find out when it started. Go back to that
Childhood.
original incident and relive it. You will see suddenly that craving disappears.
Thank you.
Swamiji, can I take the liberty to get back again and ask one more question?
Go ahead. You
Thank
already taken, so you can ask.
Thank you. What I wanted to ask is, sometimes one of my person, whom I treated as guru, had told that my father's family curse of not doing puja. We come from an Orthodox Brahmin family, and my father happened to leave the house at the age of 11. So he could not do any puja rituals. He was doing puja in temple, and it was told that the curse of the family of not doing puja to the temple has caused a lot of.
Is it Kuladevata temple?
Yes, it is
I think
Kuladevata temple.
Kuladevata temple should not be given up. I think you should take it up and
No,
see to it.
our, sorry to interrupt, our other cousin brothers are handling it. They are doing the puja. My father's brother is also doing, but since my father has not done it, is it that it is coming to us like that?
Actually, see,
Something like that?
the Kuladevata is related to your DNA.
Okay.
So, appeasing Kuladevata should be done as a tradition. So, it will be good if your father goes and spends little time in puja or some way of appeasing the deity, it will be good. And especially whom you consider as a guru has told you means, it will not be lie. There is no personal gain for him to tell that you
No,
see.
no, no. I'm not doubting on Guru. Absolutely not.
So,
It's like I just want to know.
yes,
whether it will-
actually,
because
the Kuladevata worship is directly related to your DNA. It will be good always to keep it up and appease Kuladevata.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yes, please go ahead.
Namaste, Swamiji. Doing puja in my home.
Please get the mic closer.
Doing puja in my home, the automatic breathing happens. Once the unconsciously the breath get inside and hold kumbhaka, and sudden current will generate in my system. I used to fall unconscious. Once a year.
I think you should not be doing kumbhaka more. You should not do the kumbhaka to that level.
Once I came for energy darshan, I asked you, and that is healed. And once it hit and pushed me to the space of everything is possible. I stayed for few seconds. That's also, that experience is not recollecting.
Okay.
And one more thing.
I'll push you to that experience. Don't worry.
And one more thing, when I 4 years back, when I was reading Guaranteed Solutions, I read few lines. What you have and what you having dream to have in your life from the view of existence, it's also a dream. Well, I closed and told myself, suddenly the body disappear. I become black size, this size, black color, and I felt really high. But that experience also is not getting back.
So do completion every day. You will get that experience back. Good.
One more. When I enters some temples, the Kundalini awaken happens, the waist, chest, it will become very tight. I can't move myself, and the eyes will open. In public place, something weird I experience. What?
So today in the energy session, tell me, I'll clear it and it will not happen again. I'll take care.
We have a few questions from online participants.
Uh,
A common question from many of the participants is, as a next step for this program, can Swamiji share how Inner Awakening program will help me in my life? How will I know if I need inner awakening?
The moment you think you need inner awakening, you need inner awakening. Even if you have a doubt whether I need it or not, you need it. Please understand, it's an intense 21 days spiritual breakthrough. Whether you want physical health or mental health or contentment or enlightenment, that is the greatest breakthrough you can have in your life. So, if you ask me how inner awakening can help you in your life, I can say it will give you a life. The real life will happen to you with this inner awakening. But the moment I say inner awakening, the biggest thing people say, 21 days time, money. Please understand, you make the decision you want to have inner awakening, you will see time aligns automatically, money automatically will come, you will not have any obstacles. I tell you, Lakshmi will never stop you achieving enlightenment. And I am not the person to put money as the obstacle. Actually, I was giving, still now I give everything free in the YouTube. I tell you, when you give free, people neither listen nor open their being. Only when they open their packet, they open their being, heart. Now it has become a modern day language. So, you decide that you want inner awakening, you will see time, money, everything aligns, you will be there. And removing the obstacles and making inner awakening happen to you is my job. Deciding, creating a will you want is your job, making it happen is my job. Do it.
The next question we have is from Košice, Slovakia Center. Dana is asking, currently I'm looking for a job. What can I do to find a job which will make me happy, fulfilled and financially independent? Dana?
Slovakia, Dana? Dana, please do completion with your money pattern, wealth pattern. You will attract the right job and you will be financially independent. My blessings.
The next question we have is from Penang Center. Lakshmi Prabha is asking, for us who do not know our Kula Devata, how can we find out? We are the 4th generation here.
Lakshmi Prabha, you are from which area? Lakshmi Prabha, ask her to answer, ma.
Ma Lakshmi Prabha, please chat with programs@nityananda.org.
Just ask this 4 questions. From which area from Tamil Nadu? And father and forefather's name, if she knows, let her give that detail, that's enough, I will tell her Kula Devata.
Please email programs@nityananda.org, the place where you're from and your father's and forefather's name. We'll get back to you. The next question we have is from Kajang, Malaysia Center. Lai Gan Yin, how can I find out what work should I do in order to have fulfillment in life and work? I have not been able to find a work that I love to do. I do not know what to do for this stage of my life in order to have a contented life.
I think this confusion, I will say at least next 21 days do samskara dagana kriya. Means today what the completion process you did, that will really help you to find your life's purpose and achieve it. Blessings.
The next question we have is from Singapore Adinam Center. Jay Gauri is asking, will my completion process help bring completion in my children automatically?
Jay Gauri, I don't think your children will become completely complete. They will be complete from all the incompletion you generate in them. Because you are complete, you won't add incompletion to them, but they have to do completion if they want to become completely complete. They will be out of your torture, but your husband will be adding incompletion. Now, what to do about that?
We have a new center in Copenhagen, Denmark, and they are doing the program for the first time.
Yes.
The next question we have is from Copenhagen, Denmark Center. Ram Kadaria is asking, Nityanandam Swamiji, I have a strong pain in my left side, in my whole body, after I had an accident in 2011. I have been to physiotherapy many times,
I
but it has
understand.
not been working.
Ram Kadaria, I'll directly heal you, don't worry. You'll be completely healed. I'll see to it, in next 48 hours, this pain disappears. You are healed.
The next question we have is from London Adinam Center. Kumar is asking, Guruji, I'm suffering from arthritis. Is there anything I can do to aid the healing process? Kumar?
Okay. Please do completion every day, every night before falling asleep. I'll heal you.
The next question we have is from Kulim Center in Malaysia. Satya is asking, I'm driving car last 17 years, but now I have difficulty to drive and scared when driving, and I stop the car immediately. What do I need to do, Swamiji?
Satya, do completion with this fear. It will become all right. All right. It is time. Get ready for the another session. So let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.